Hi there, this is Dev and you're watching EthicaCyber. Today in this video I'm gonna show you that how to zip, unzip and extracting files in your Android phone with the help of Termux applications. So for that, first of all open your Termux application and choose the upgrade of your Termux packages. Now, when the upgradation process has been successfully done, you have to install two packages, that is zip and unzip, as showing on the screen with the help of single line of command, that is pkg install zip unzip -y, and simply hit the enter button and wait for a while. Package does not successfully install in your Termux application. And now here you can see that both packages has been successfully installed in your Android device. So for the testing purpose, I'll creating two text file here, as you can see on my Termux screen. And now I'm going to compress with the command zip file name with the extension of .zip and placing both files separated by a space and simply pressing the enter button. Now here you can see that both file has been compressed in a single zip folder. So before going to the unzip process, first I'm simply deleting both files because these both files already have in my zip folder. So I'm gonna delete with rm command here. Now here I'll show you how to unzip the compressed folder. So for that we can use an unzip command here. Attach the compressed folder name and press the enter button. When you press the enter button, you can see that the zip folder will be extracted and both files which are stored on the compressed folder listed at the same folder location. I hope this video would be informative and helpful to you. So if you like the video, connect it with the EthicaCyber. Soon we will meet in another interesting session. Till then, be happy and enjoy learning. Thank you.